creators. Please don't be laughed. From Marker Lilo to Boy 223. Video. This device you will never will. No Zoom regular video. Programming. Back enjoy your videos.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Joey Studios Inc. attacked the Piggy City land at 10:40 a.m. Western Standard Time. Catemojibabyheat destroyed in the world. Mandatory evacuation is in effect for all of the city of Piggy Land, Paris. The battle has begun. The Young Country Twister and Beast Creator versus Joey Studios Inc. 2023 and catemojibabyheat and Abu Sinwik Boga are fighting to their death. Also, a member of the Young Country Twister and two members of Joey Studios Inc. 2023 and catemojibabyheat and Abu Sinwik Boga has killed TV woman, TV man, cameraman, Eric, Jorge, Big Head Gummy Bear 2.0, Pingu, Hell, Use a Ball, Philippines Ball, Tyrant Ball, Huggy Wuggy, Skippity Toilet, that have died are, Tom and Jay, Domicile members have died which are dinner and dead for art over 1,000 hits has been reported in the entire city Manila, Philippines. Do not bring electrical devices, as you will get severe burn to death. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
They both knew this was a battle to the death.
Jesus Christ! Who are you?
My name is Jai, the ES guy. I'm sorry, and this is the second bail for you.
What is that?
After 5 minutes, there is something how with you. Pingu and Bubbles and something how. But all dead. Joy Studios Inc. is here when 2023. He's dead about for you.
What's that for you?
I defeat Siren Head. Siren Head's dead. Where you need Siren Head, it's back now?
Wow, Siren Head here. I think Siren Head's dead.
But Doug and all of them fighting together in Part G1. Doug versus all of those dead.
What do you say about Judd?
Yes, guy?
Well, I need to go out of here.
Alright, let's ride!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department at the National Center for Missing and Exploited, and the Amber Alert has been issued for the entire city of Los Angeles. At approximately 8:03 a.m. Western Daylight Time, one boy was abducted from the building in the city of Los Angeles. The first child is named Hey2K Balvis, an 8 years old white male, 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighs 53 pounds, has blonde hair and blue eyes. He last seen wearing black t-shirt and blue jacket long and black pants. These one boy are believed to be in extreme danger. The suspect that looked these one boy are believed to be in extreme danger to Los Angeles. That was described. If you see the Joey Studios Inc. and catemojibabyheat and Abu Sinwik Boga, call 911 immediately after 20 minutes.
Alright guys, Let's kill Silverhead. We need to defeat Silverhead.
Yes!
Blue and you need to kill another build along there. Hurry up, let's build.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Las Vegas Police Department. Police trying what's happened the explosion the city attack everyone in Las Vegas. Police fire the officers. You take hospital and shelter. Jerry Studios in 2023. In Las Vegas attacking in rockets and missile. Following the kill. Stay tuned more update about the situation.